our after-school snack series. We will show you how to make after-school snacks that are yummy and easy. Today, we will be making pizza bites. So, are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Pizza bites are delicious and so easy to make.
You only need 4 ingredients.
So you will need
2 pizza bases,
some pepperoni, some mozzarella cheese, grated, and some pizza sauce.
Step 1. Using a cup or glass, cut small circles from the pizza base.
This is my favorite after-school snack.
Step 2. Now put the pizza sauce onto each circle of the pizza dough. Step 3. Now place the toppings onto the pizza dough. What's your favorite pizza topping? Step 4. Bake the pizza bites for 10 to 15 minutes or until the dough is fully cooked and the cheese is melted. It looks so yummy!
I love pizza bites.
So, did you have fun, little Chef Tatiana?
Yes!
Well, thank you for watching. Next time, we will be making meatball lollipops. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, little chefs.